What's the help that you need? They said, the wish is spreading all over the place. We need help. Vishnu said, yes, I will help, but not directly. I want to give credit to the greatest of my devotees. Nimnaganam yatha Ganga, Devanam achyuto yatha, Vaishnavanam yatha Shambhu, Purananam idam tatha. I want to give the glories to the best among Vaishnavas, that is Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva accepts it. He takes all of that poison and concentrates it in his palms. In electronics, there's a term by the name very large scale integration. It's called VLSI. VLSI. Well, I oftentimes say VLSI engineer source is Lord Shiva. Very large scale integration, making bigger things smaller. That's Lord Shiva. He took the poison of the world and cupped it in his palms. And he drank. Now as he drank, the churning continued. Therefore, O Narada, if you're really searching for the best devotee, in my opinion, you should go to Lord Shiva. Why you should go to Lord Shiva? Nimnaganam yatha Ganga Devanam achyuto yatha Vaishnavanam yatha Shambhu Purananam idam tatha. Just like among the rivers, Ganga is topmost. Among the scriptures, Bhagavatam is topmost. Among the personalities, Achyuta Sri Krishna is topmost. Similarly, among Vaishnavas, Lord Shiva is the topmost. You should go to him. Then, why should you go to him? Swayam Mahesha Shvashuro Nagesha Sakha Dhanesha Tanayo Ganesha Tathapi Bhiksha Thanameva Shambhu Baliyasi Kevalam Ishwarecha. Because Swayam Mahesha, he is the Lord of the demigods also. And Shvashuro Nagesha, his father-in-law is the Lord of the mountains. Sakha Dhanesha, his friend is Kubera, the Lord of wealth. Tanayo Ganesha, and his son is the Lord, the commander-in-chief, Ganesha. Somebody with all of this, where would they have their house? Upmarket places, yeah? Really posh places. But Lord Shiva, Tathapi Bhiksha Thanameva Shambhu. He's sitting with a begging bowl with no house. Because Baliyasi Kevalam Ishwarecha, because he depends only on the will of the Lord.